Today was one of my depressed days, my down day. So it's 5:47, and I literally just clean up. I put in these two just now. They're wet, like wet. And I wash off these two. And there's the wet. Come here. Do not go on that. Come. Don't walk on that. Yeah, my down days. You know, just saying Christmas is coming and I'll be spending it alone, and what a waste of my time, my 14 months, and Christmas is coming and I'll be lonely, alone. Although when I was with my person, I was alone. So today was my reflection day. Then in the evening, literally I leave my house 4:15 to go and buy this stuff, and just come back and did it. I did too. So tomorrow I take it off and do another 2 up here. So I think I have 3.5 to do. I say half because I put half on the wall. So it's not big enough for 4, but tomorrow I'll measure it. I think it's 3.5, the space that left. I'll measure it tomorrow. But yeah, this is what I have. And I did a bit of this because, as you know, this little monster wake me up every morning. So I wake up and do a little morning work by putting some dirt in here. So I have this little bit to do in the morning when Spencer wake me up. And then I'm gonna tarp it because I have no more mattress bag. So I'm gonna tarp this bit and get the gravel in to put on it, so it's white and pretty, and hopefully this weekend coming I can paint it, get the paint and paint it. I think I have to go tap out these little holes myself with cement and what do you call that grout, the G word, son. But well, I have it. Mix it with little cement. I see how Junior did it, so I think I can do it and fill out those holes and just leave this bit for the professional so I can get to paint. I wish if I could get that wall done so I could just paint both area coming up. I want to get the light to put under there and under here, rope light for the holiday. Don't know if I'm going to get the top done, but I definitely want my seated area done. It's going to ice up about 7 inches, step up from here, and by that grass. Oh, can you see me? This fake grassy thing. I know y'all know it. That fake grass thing. And put it down here and cut out the boxes. Yeah, and line right here with the fake grass. Go up. I think here is set to concrete. The amount of measurement from there to there is to even from here to here as well. I think, I believe, I'm not sure, or maybe it's just a 4-inch. I don't know. When I get there, I'll get there. But that what was in my head. But sometimes what's in my head is not really how it come out. So I am open for changes. But yeah, hopefully I can get that thing built, the seat in there, and it smooth off like the wall here for my holiday. Oh Lord. Alrighty guys, alrighty. And get my pool house built. Alrighty guys, so this is it. Alright, I built 2 more today just now.